In this video, I will share the secret, the one tiny secret of $100,000 in affiliate marketing commissions in a completely beginner-friendly way, without a website, without following, without technical skills, without a mailing list, without social media following. And any beginner can start doing it starting today. And it can be done from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency. The choice is yours. If all this sounds good, let us begin. This video is going to be a step-by-step formula, and there is only one secret to all this, and I'm going to reveal this secret in this video. But before that, I want to tell you a truth. And the truth is, we make money with affiliate marketing using content. Content like these videos and content like website content. But as I told you, this method is completely beginner friendly, and video creation is not beginner friendly. A beginner cannot just create videos just like this with cameras and microphones, cannot hire video editors, cannot do video editing, cannot create video content. But we figured a shortcut. Well, basically 3 shortcuts. The shortcut number 1 is telling the truth. Instead of going complex process, we started telling the truth. And as soon as we started focusing on telling only the truth, our life became easy. And the second formula is telling the truth using our artificial intelligence software. Number 1 software is Epic. So for our beginner team members, we built our own software, Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows you to make videos using image, text, links, bookmarks, notes, screenshots, but you don't need to use camera and microphone. But in case you want to use camera and microphone, you can. You can upload your videos in case you're comfortable with it using the video section. But in this video, we will cover how to use Epic with image and text. Now, I'm showing Epic because Epic is my software and we use Epic to make videos using 2 to 3 minutes of our times. But I'm happy to present Epic to you because it's free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic and start. Epic allows us to make videos using artificial intelligence. With Epic, we don't need to write scripts. We just go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, paste it here, use any of these buttons, and Epic AI rewrites the text for us, and that text is out. Then we take that text and go to the audio section, go to text to audio section and click the add button, put the text here, then one click, that text turns into natural sounding voiceover. So Epic users don't need to use their microphones or record their voiceover, but they can if they want. Epic users don't use camera because they don't have to, and Epic users don't write script because Epic writes the scripts for them using AI. Epic is free, link is in the description. Now, if I want to put this money motivation screenshot into Epic, I'll just copy the screenshot, go to another section. Oh, by the way, Epic allows us to make videos in small, tiny sections. You can use one section or multiple section, 1 second video or 10 minutes video, choice is yours. So we're gonna use another section to make our life easy so we can come back anytime and edit anytime we want. And once we are done, we will simply click this render button and the video will be ready. By the way, the video I'm talking about, all this content will be inside Epic, and our Epic users will get this campaign or this video as done for you template, and they can use it for their own videos. You can get it too if you start today. So I'm gonna go to the image section, click this button and Control V, the image is here, click upload, and the image is uploaded in the library. In one click, I will import it to the canvas, and now I can play with it, zoom it if I want, rotate it if I want, and basically do whatever I want. And the video is made in the background in our hosting server. Then we can download it and upload it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media channels, and make money from there. Now, you might be thinking that there is a disconnection between video making and money. Where is the money, Mosh? And that is what I am about to reveal in this video. In the later part, stay tuned. This is going to be step by step. Not only you will understand clearly, but also you will be able to take action starting today and start making money. By the way, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it right now. And we use another tool that is also an artificial intelligence tool. Let's go and share why we use it and how we use it. That tool name is Maven. That is also free to start. Link is in the description. We will come come back to this secret and reveal this secret of $105,000 in passive affiliate commission, before that, smash the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines. So not only you, but also your friends learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, by telling the truth. You are going to be telling the truth, sharing the truth with others, and make money online. But before that, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Go ahead, hit like, share, subscribe, and let us begin our journey. We are now looking at a simple website called remoteworklabels.com. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking that you are not ready to make a website because website creation is hard. It needs content, it needs hosting server, it needs a domain, all those costs and hard work. And also content creation takes time and cost as well. But at the beginning I told you, you will not need any of those. So you can use Maven. With Maven, all you need is to copy any website's link or URL and put it in one place. And with one push of a button, this website will be yours without stealing any content. So the AI will rewrite the content for you with the highest quality and allow you to make your complete, informative, true-telling website, web page, web content in a matter of minutes. Okay, let's go back to money. Mosh, where is money in this website? Let's go to similarweb.com and look at its traffic analytics. These guys get 21,000 visitors per month. But the truth is not on the website. The truth is not on the hard work. The truth is in the smart work. Let's go to their marketing channels and see where the traffic is coming from. And interestingly, they don't depend on search engine or Google traffic. That's a good news. You don't have to go with extremely complex search engine optimization process. They depend on social traffic and their direct traffic. Well, leave the direct traffic aside. They are their regular visitors, but we are talking about the social media traffic because social media traffic is free. And the beautiful part is all their social media traffic is from Pinterest. This is amazing because Pinterest traffic is super easy. You don't need to write a content. This is what they do on Pinterest. They simply share their content with Pinterest with an image like this. Now, although these images are available on Canva, I am also giving you two other softwares for free. Links are in the description. One is our own automatic Pinterest traffic software, and another one is our own graphic design software that you can find these templates and use these templates from the software, make them in a couple of minutes and publish on Pinterest. All you have to do when you are on Pinterest is click the create button, create pin, upload the image, and put your website link right here and tell a little bit about your website content. If your content is about hosting server review or epic review or any other topic that you are talking about, I will say the truth that you are telling in your website, tell about this truth right here and click save. That's it. When your visitors will find these pins on Pinterest in the wild, they will simply click on these links. Pinterest users already know that they have to click on these links in order to visit the website. Now it's time to reveal the secret. The secret of our money are all these hops. These hops are the clicks on our affiliate links. So our visitors find our simple videos that we make using Epic. The YouTube audience know that the links are in the description just like this, and we also mention in our videos that if they want, they can click the links in the description just like you can click in the link in the description and get access to Epic, Maven, Pinterest software, and graphic design software to make your life super easy and get our results. Plus on the YouTube, we also put our links in the first comment and pin that comment. When we publish our videos on TikTok, we mention that the link is in the bio. Same in the Instagram and Facebook. Users already know where to click. Now you must be thinking there is another secret I was about to share with you, and the secret is earning per hops or earning per click. That is the average number of earning or income or affiliate commission per click we receive on the average. And in our case, for this account, at this particular stage, the average is $1.20. So from Pinterest, this website gets clicks on their links and they get 21,000 visitors from Pinterest. So basically, just by using a software like Maven and make their website and sharing their website with Pinterest, they make, according to this number, approximately $23,000 or something like that every single month. On the average, $20,000 per month by copying and pasting other people's website URLs using Maven for a couple of minutes is super awesome in my opinion. But in our case, we are not happy. So we make a lot of videos, get a lot of clicks, we make a lot of websites and a lot of contents, get a lot of clicks from all different social media channels while browsing around, checking the news sites, talking about those truths about what's happening, just like this video, and tell our audience the truth about information they're looking for. They love our gesture of telling the truth. They click our links and they simply buy from us. That's the super secret. Use simple softwares that make your life easy. Use softwares that allow you to copy other people's stuff, the truth out there, and rewrite it or redo it without extra effort, allowing you to continue having fun and making money just like this. If all this sounds good, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, because our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you can participate in this noble mission only by hitting the like button and the share button. And for sharing valuable information, your friends and family will love you, will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, by telling the truth and sharing the truth with the world. You can do it too. There is nothing simpler than this. Epic, Maven, and other life-changing websites that made our life easy for telling the truth and making the money are all in the descriptions. Go grab them, start today. By the way, in case you were wondering, how can I become an affiliate? Where can I get my link? Then watch the other videos right here and they will guide you step by step through your affiliate marketing journey. All you have to do is to tell the truth and have a lot of fun while using our AI tools to help you make money. Go ahead, watch the other videos, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.